Hello, mathematicians. Do you know what a mathematician is? A mathematician is a person who does math. And that is what we are going to do today. We're going to do some math together. We're going to start with our learning target. A learning target tells us what we're trying to learn. So by the end of this week, we should know how to do the learning target. This week, our learning target is I can use doubles to solve addition problems. Doubles? What's a double? What's an addition problem? Let's talk about what an addition problem is. This right here is an addition problem. I know it's an addition problem because there's a plus sign in it. This problem reads 5 plus 2 equals 7. We're taking two groups, a group of 5 and a group of 2, and we're putting them together. That's addition. 5 plus 2 equals 7. That's an addition problem. Now we should learn some more about doubles. This learning target is going to move over to the side right here so that we can remember what we're trying to learn. I want you to focus your brain on learning about using doubles in addition problems. You're going to need some stuff. If you have an empty notebook, this one's kind of fancy. It was a present. You could use an empty notebook as your math journal. You're going to be doing some writing as we go through this video. I'm going to have you pause the video and do some work. So, if you have an empty notebook and you want it to be your math journal, great. If you have a notebook that you've been using, go grab that. You're going to need a pencil and some crayons. You're also probably going to need some counters. Ask the grown-up at your house if they can take a handful of black beans or cereal and put it in a little bag for you that you can keep with your school supplies, because we are going to be using that when we do math. Pause the video and get your materials ready to do some math. Let's learn some more about doubles. Doubles are two equal numbers. It means that both sides are the same. So if I wanted to make a double right here, I know that I have 3 dots in this box. And if I put 3 dots in this box, 3 equals 3. I have a double. There are 2 3s. Let's take a look at this problem right down here. I have a box with some dots in it, I have an equals sign, and I have another box. I want you to pause the video and draw a picture of this box with the dots in it, and then fill in the dots in this box so that you have a double. And I'll see you in a minute. All right, now that we have our 2 doubles addition problems, let's solve them. The first problem is 3 plus 3 equals, so I've got 2 groups. I've got a group of 3 and another group of 3. And because they're the same number, this is a doubles problem. 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 dots. We have another doubles problem. 4 plus 4. I've got a group of 4 and another group of 4, and I'm going to put them together to find out how many I have all together. Pause the video and solve this doubles problem, 4 plus 4. Let's look at that problem in a different way with a story. There are 4 children on each side of the field. How many children are there? Now, I could count each child one by one, but that would take a long time. And I just did a problem that was the same problem with the same numbers, a doubles problem, 4 plus 4. What did you decide that 4 plus 4 equals? Let's count really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, so we know there are 8 children on the field altogether. Okay, so there are 8 children. One more child joins the blue side. Now, how many children are there? So I'm going to add another child to the blue side. Now, I can stop and I can count each child again to see how many I have. But that would take a long time. I know that we had 8, and I know that we just added 1. So I know that 8 plus 1 equals, would you figure this out for me? Would you write an addition equation that matches this problem? I've got 5 dots here plus 4 dots here, and it equals, will you tell me what it equals? Write it in your math journal. Remember, I'm going to have you share a picture of your math journal in Seesaw when we're all done. Let's take a look at another problem. This is a Halloween problem. How exciting. Marcy made 3 cupcakes and 3 donuts. How many sweets did she make? This is another doubles problem. 3 plus 3, they're the same. Can you pause the video and solve this problem? Write an addition equation to match this problem. And when you come back, I'll show you what it looks like. All right. You just did some great problem solving on your own. Let's see what an addition equation would look like for this problem. So I know I have 3 donuts plus 3 cupcakes. And since it's a doubles problem, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So there are 6 sweets. Oh, there's more to this problem. Marcy bakes 1 more cupcake. Now how many sweets does Marcy have in all? Well, I know that she had 3 donuts and 3 cupcakes, and then we added 1 more cupcake. So I know, let's see, I know that 3 plus 3 is 6. And if I add 1 more, then I have 7. So there are 7. 7 sweets all together. All right, it's time for you to solve a problem all on your own. After you've solved this problem, you're going to take a picture of it and put it in Seesaw. When you're all done with this video, remember, click that button that's right below the video and take a picture of your work. Okay, let's look at the problem. Ipolani has 2 purple cookies and 2 orange cookies. She finds 1 more purple cookie. How many cookies in all? Let's do some underlining. What are we trying to find out? How many cookies in all? So I'm going to underline that. Then we're going to underline the numbers. So I've got 2 purple cookies and 2 orange cookies. But then I have 1 more purple cookie. How many cookies in all? So because there are 1, 2, 3 numbers in the problem, there's going to be 1, 2, 3 numbers in the addition equation. Solve this problem in your math journal and then share it with me in Seesaw. See you later, problem solvers.